Start with the headline like the world's wealth continues to shift, paired with a quick montage of luxury items, private jets, skyscrapers, and futuristic technology, followed by a clip of Jeff Bezos or Elon Musk at work. At number 1, we have Elon Musk. With an estimated net worth fluctuating around $200 billion, Musk is the mind behind Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. His visionary approach to electric vehicles and space exploration has not only changed industries, but made him the wealthiest person on the planet. Next on the list is Bernard Arnault, the French businessman who oversees the luxury goods empire LVMH. As the head of brands like Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Moët Hennessy, Arnault's fortune is built on a blend of timeless style and strategic acquisitions, making him a titan in the luxury world with a net worth close to Musk's. Coming in at number 3 is Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. From selling books out of his garage to creating one of the largest online marketplaces in history, Bezos revolutionized the way we shop. Despite stepping down as CEO, his net worth remains sky-high, driven by Amazon's continued global dominance. In fourth place is Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle, a tech giant in database management and cloud computing. Ellison's wealth, nearing $130 billion, has been built through his pioneering work in enterprise software, and he's also known for his lavish lifestyle, including owning one of the Hawaiian Islands. Rounding out our top 5 is Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft. Although Gates is no longer active in running Microsoft, his focus on global health through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation showcases his passion for giving back. His wealth, still massive, comes from decades of innovation in personal computing. These 5 individuals have not only amassed incredible fortunes, but they've also transformed industries, redefined innovation, and changed the way we live. Their wealth is a testament to the power of vision, determination, and in some cases timing.